stop using your leads even while you are sleeping. You must be wondering how. So what you have to do is you simply have to set up an automation which is going to work even while you sleep and protect your leads. What is going to happen is whenever you're going to receive a new lead, instantly the lead details will be added to your CRM even while you are sleeping, because you are not doing this manually, you are using Pabbly Connect to do this. Hello all, welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video I'll show you how you can add all your leads into your CRM without any manual intervention. So this is going to work even while you are sleeping. So let's get started. To do this, you just have to open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you can get a free trial of Pabbly Connect. Once you try Pabbly Connect and if you like it, you can move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect, and for that we have a special discount coupon code just for you, which is attached right over here. This discount coupon code can get you a very heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. And yes, first I'll suggest you try Pabbly Connect, then if you like it for you and your business, then you can move on further and purchase the subscription plan. Okay, so now we're on the workflow builder of Pabbly Connect, and let's see how we can build this automation. For that, this is the most important window for automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards this same. And now without wasting any more time, just click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, choose it as Google Ads. For the event, select it as new lead form entry and click on this connect. You're going to receive the webhook URL. So just copy the webhook URL and open your Google Ads campaign. And over here in this campaign, I am just going to add a lead form. Okay, so let me just add lead form right over here. In this lead form, I'm just going to collect the details like the name, email, phone number, city and the company name. You can select the details according to your own choice. After that, you just have to scroll and you're going to see the option of this lead delivery. So open this. It is asking for the webhook URL and the key. So simply paste the webhook URL which you copied from the workflow and enter the key and then click on the send test data. It is saying test data sent. So let me just open my workflow and Pabbly is going to capture the response for the same right over here. As you can see, we have the company name, we have the city, we have the phone number, the email and the name. Yes, you have successfully captured these details. Now we're just going to add these details right over here as the new contact in our CRM. And as you can see, these are the test details. What you can do is, first of all, you can create this automation using the real lead details too. You can click on this recapture webhook response and then yes, and then wait until you receive a real lead in real time. I'll create this automation using the test lead details only because it is going to run perfectly fine for my real leads too and save me a lot of time. You can also create this automation using the test lead details. I'll show you how. Just click on this add new action step, choose your application right over here, which is the CRM. I'm just going to use Zoho Begin, so I'm just going to select the same. For the event, I'm just going to select it as create contact and then click on this connect. Now if you've already created a connection between Zoho Begin and Pabbly Connect, then click on the select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and then connect with Zoho Begin. Now it's asking me for the domain your Zoho account belongs to. Okay, so let me just enter the domain. So for that, I'm just going to open my Zoho Begin account, and as you can see, this is my domain, which is zoho.in. So I'm just going to copy and paste it right over here. Your domain can be anything from below. My is zoho.in, so I've simply entered the same, and now I'm just going to click on this save. Once we're going to click on this save, you have to make sure that your Zoho account is logged in before starting with the automation. Otherwise, first Pabbly is going to ask you to log in your account, and then Pabbly is asking for some permissions. So click on this accept, give Pabbly all the permissions it is asking for because your data is 100% safe with us, no need to worry. Now Pabbly is asking me for some details. So first of all, just choose the owner and one by one enter the details of your lead. Yes, we have these details, but we're only going to enter the details which are required or the details which we have. Like this last name has this star, this means that this is a required detail. And over here you're going to see rest are the details are not required. You can just enter the last name and click on the save and send test request. But I have many details of my lead, so I'm just going to enter all of them which I have, including the last name, which is mandatory. But now in order to enter the details, you don't have to enter it manually by typing it like this, but instead you have to map it. So you must be wondering, what is mapping? So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. And when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. So one by one, I'm just going to enter all my details right over here. In order to enter these details, you have to put a slash, search for the details and map it like this. So I'm just going to simply enter the details which I have of my lead, then move on further. I have the city, so I'm just going to map the city, then I map the company name. So I'm just going to map the company name to right over here. And as you can see, I've successfully mapped all the details, and you have to make sure that you only map the string value. Then move on further and click on the save and send test request button, and you're going to see it is saying success. We have successfully created a new contact in Zoho Begin. So let me just open my Zoho Begin, and I'm just going to refresh this contact list, and you're going to see yes, a new contact is created right over here in my Zoho Begin. You're going to see the same name, same email, same first name, last name, mobile number. Also, we mentioned the city and the company name. So let me just open it, and over here you're going to check the city and the company name are also mentioned right over here. And with this, we have successfully completed our workflow. Now whenever I'm just going to receive a new lead from Google Ads, instantly a new contact will be created in my Zoho Begin account without any manual intervention, and yes, even while I am sleeping. So go and try this amazing automation yourself, and while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. For your reference, I'll just attach the workflow URL of this workflow in the description box below. You can check it out. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Till then, if you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you for watching. So not only this, but you can connect many more applications using Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any doubts related to pricing, you can follow this link. If you have any doubts or queries related to sales, you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. Both this link and this email address is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. I'll suggest you connect and integrate your favorite applications today, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.